So you're probably seen a lot of these Sora AI videos all over the internet, but then there is one thing that makes us tell that it is AI, the watermark. What if I told you you can remove that watermark easily and clean without having to pay anything? That's what this video is about. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple, quick, easy, free way to remove the watermark from the Sora AI video or any other video where you have a watermark on. Let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to this site. I'm going to put a link in the description. You can either do it on your phone or on your laptop. Any method goes. And what you go on to do is you open file. You go to open file and you go to your gallery. That's if you're using a phone. If you're using a laptop, you go to the folder where you saved the video. So the folder where I saved the video, I saved the video right yes, and then you open the video. So when you open the video, it will automatically open it inside the editing interface where you can remove the watermark. And then here you already have the option selected. So if when we play the video, we can see the watermark appears in different places. So let's count. So it appears up here 1, and then it moves. Let's count how many times it appears inside. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it appears in 3. It appears like 5 times, but it appears in 3 main places. So we'll just follow that trend. So we'll go on, and the first part where it's showing, you go on and just highlight that part. Just highlight it any way you want to highlight it, and then you move it again to where it appears again. The watermark appears here again. You highlight where it appears again, and it appears again for the last time at the bottom. So these are the 3 main places where the watermark comes. So after you have selected where the watermark appears and you hit on apply, so it will automatically remove the watermark from the video. And now we have this video now. So this is a side-by-side comparison of how the videos look. One with the watermark and one without the watermark. Pretty simple and pretty easy and free. When you are done, you can go on to export and download to your device anyhow you want. And that's it. That's how to remove a watermark from a video, or remove the Sora AI watermark from a video. Follow for more tutorials. I have my social media accounts right here. You can check out my edit and stuff. Reach out to me if you have any question whatsoever. Until next time.